Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we are going through chapter number 2, and in the last video we had studied about two divisibility tests, that was divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. Today in this chapter we will move further. We'll start with divisibility by 9. Why? Because divisibility of 3 and divisibility of 9 both are mostly interrelated. दोनों ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. डिफरेंस क्या है? 3 की डिविजिबिलिटी में सम ऑफ जो डिजिट्स आता था टोटल दैट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. यहाँ पे इट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So 3 में क्या होता था? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. तो 9 में क्या होना चाहिए? ये सब डिजिट का सम करना है और अगर वो टोटल 9 से डिवाइड होता है देन द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. So as we have to find out the sum of digits, so we'll write there sum of digits is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8. So 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, and if 18 is divisible by 9, then we can say that 4608 is divisible by 9. Now you know the table of 9, 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are is 18, means when you will divide 18 by 9 the answer will come as 2, and therefore we will write that 4608 is divisible by 9. Okay, 3 और 9 में देखा ना द सेम, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सेम, लेकिन यहाँ पे जस्ट एक चेंज आ रहा है. 3 में हियर वी विल राइट 3 एंड इन 9 वी विल राइट इट हियर 9. बाकी ये सब सेम रहेगा. द सम ऑफ डिजिट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल and you have to divide it by 9. If you get the answer, then it is divisible. If you are not getting the answer, means when as in the first video I told to write not possible है तो क्या कर देना? It is not divisible by 9. Let us see one another example. 7580. Okay, so again here the same process we will do. Sum of digits is equal to 7 plus 5 plus 8 plus 0. So now 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, and we have to divide 20 by 9. अब 9 के टेबल में 20 नहीं आता है. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are is 27. But as we are having here 20, so we cannot divide, means divide होगा but it will go in points. So what we will write? We will write not possible, and therefore we will write that 7580 is not divisible by 9. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे डिवाइड हम करेंगे और रिमाइंडर अगर बचता है, सो यू हैव टू राइट देयर नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि वो होगा लेकिन इट विल गो इन पॉइंट्स. सो वी डोंट वांट द आंसर इन पॉइंट, वी वांट द आंसर एज अ वन नंबर, राउंड नंबर ओनली. तो नहीं आ रहा है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे उधर? नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड देयरफॉर 7580 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 9. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 9. कल लास्ट वीडियो में जो था दैट वाज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2 and 3, सो हियर इट इज बाय 9. नाउ लाइक लास्ट वीडियो अगेन आई विल गिव you extra sums which you have to do it by yourself in the same manner. So students, these are the extra 5 sums related to divisibility by 9. The same method you have to apply. और जैसे लास्ट वीडियो में भी बोला था, पहले ये पूरा आपको लिखना है with the examples and then extra sums का heading, first one उसको solve करना है इसके जैसे, then you will write second one, then solve it, third one, then solve it, and like that you have to go on. Okay, don't need to write all the questions together and then to write the answer one by one of it. No need. First one you write down, solve it. Second one you write down, solve it. Third one you write down and solve it. Like that you have to do it. So this was divisibility by 9. Now the next we'll move, that is again a very easy divisibility, that is divisibility by 5. Now divisibility of 5 says that a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. कोई भी नंबर अगर उसका लास्ट डिजिट 0 नहीं तो 5 अगर होगा तो वो पूरा नंबर हम 5 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, देखना क्या है, 0 और 5. जैसे 2 में कैसे था, इट वॉज 0, 2, 4, 6 एंड 8. लाइक दैट हियर 5 से कोई भी नंबर कब डिवाइड होगा, जब उसका लास्ट डिजिट या तो 0 होना चाहिए, नहीं तो इट शुड बी 5. Okay, so we'll see with the example. $8,475 is the number. Now we have to find out whether it is divisible by 5 or not. तो क्या देखना है, last digit. So like 2, we will write here what, last digit is equal to 5. तो लास्ट डिजिट 5 है, तो डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 5 में भी क्या दिया, इफ द लास्ट डिजिट इज 0 और 5 देन दैट होल नंबर वी कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 5. So as here the last digit is 5, so we had already written that last digit is equal to 5, then we can write directly, therefore 8,475 is divisible by 5. क्योंकि लास्ट डिजिट क्या है, 5, और 5 से कोई भी नंबर कब डिवाइड होगा, इफ द लास्ट डिजिट इज 0 और 5. Let's see second example. $3,456 is the second example. In that what we will write again, last digit. So last digit is equal to, here the last digit is what, 6. So we'll mention last digit as 6. But here in divisibility 5 it should be 0 or 5, but here it is 6. So what we can write, therefore 3,456 is not divisible by 5. अगर लास्ट डिजिट 0 या 5 है, इफ द लास्ट डिजिट इज 0 और 5 देन ओनली इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. इफ अदर देन 0 और 5, अगर 0 और 5 के अलावा अगर कोई भी दूसरा नंबर हुआ, देन दैट नंबर विल बी नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो रिलेटेड टू इट अगेन few extra sums I am giving you. Okay students, so these are the extra sums, extra 5 sums related to divisibility by 5, which you have to do it like the last sums which you had already done. Again the same method, first one solve karo, second one you will solve, third one you will solve, fourth you will solve, and fifth one you will solve. So that was related to divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5 means a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. So that was related to divisibility by 5. Now same topic, that is divisibility by 10. That's why I've taken it together. That divisibility by 10 means a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. 5 में क्या था, 0 और 5 दोनों था. 10 में क्या हो जाएगा, ओनली 0. अगर लास्ट में खाली अगर 0 हुआ, मीन्स द लास्ट डिजिट इज 0, then only that number will be divisible by 10. Let us see with example. Like 5,760. So देखना क्या है, हमें लास्ट डिजिट ही देखना है. So again we will write same like 5 last digit is equal to 0, and therefore 5,760 is what it will come student, because लास्ट डिजिट 0 होगा तो ही वो नंबर 10 से डिवाइड होगा, and here we are having 0 at last, so it means that number we can divide it by 10. So what we'll write, that for 5760 is divisible by 5. Okay, if you want to take another example, 6754. So here again we'll write last digit, that is equal to 4. but 10 से कोई भी नंबर को डिवाइड करने के लिए we should have 0 at last, but here the last digit is 4. So we will write 6754 is not divisible by, sorry, here it will come as 10, divisible by 10. Okay, so last digit अगर 0 हुआ then only that number will be divisible by 10. If the last digit is not 0 then that number is not divisible by 10. that is दोनों सिमिलर है इसीलिए एक साथ ही ले लिया. that 5 में last digit should be 0 or 5, and in 10 the last digit should be compulsory 0 only. Here you are having choice 0 or 5, but in 10 it should be compulsory 0, then only it will be divisible by 10. So like 5, again extra sums I am giving you to do it in homework. So student, these are the extra sums where you have to find out that whether they are divisible by 10 or not. So this extra sum, the extra sum related to divisibility by 5 and extra sums related to divisibility by 9, that you have to do it in your fair notebook. Examples भी आपको compulsory लिखना ही है notebook में, और उसके नीचे ही extra sums solve करना है. Okay, so for today this much only. In the next video we will move further in this chapter and we will learn more in divisibility. So till then, thank you and take care.